Essentials of a valid contract. An agreement becomes enforceable by law only when it satisfies some essentials laid down in a section 10 as under. First, intention to create legal relationship. Both the parties to an agreement must have an intention to create a legal relationship between themselves. He should not be merely a social of or domestic arrangement. An agreement to dine at the friend's house does not create a legal relationship. Second, lawful offer acceptance. In an agreement, one party make an offer and the other party give its acceptance. The offer must be lawful and definite, and the acceptance must be absolute, the unconditioned. Third, lawful consideration. Both the parties to a contract must get something in return. That something given the obtained by the parties from the each other is known as consideration. The consideration must be lawful and agreement without lawful consideration is not enforceable. Fifth, free consent. The consent of both the party must be free. A consent is said to be free when it is not affected by fraud, undue inflations, misrepresentation, and mistake. Sixth, lawful objective. The object of contract must be lawful. It becoming unlawful, it is forbidden by law. It is such that if allowed, if it would we defeat the provision of law, it is fraudulent. It is immoral nature or opposed to public policy. Fifth, seventh, contract not declared as void. The following agreement have been declared as void under the Indian Contract Act. First,